Hello and welcome. New video, new diamond painting. No, not new diamond painting. Same big 90 by 60 centimeters diamond painting. I did already a little bit yesterday and the day before. Did not record this, but yeah, you will see it in a moment. It's only blue, so not really interested and nothing to tell about this. I think I have to go to the hairdresser. What are we going to do now? We are going to do, let me change camera position so I can show you what we are going to do. Okay, this is what we have done. This part we did the first week, and then we did this little part. This I did yesterday and the day before, and this part, and now we are continuing this part. And actually, when we are done doing this part, we have, let me take my tweezers, because otherwise it will break the foil of the paper, and that's not the meaning. I'm going to do this part. And when we did this part, we actually did 2 of those rows. As you can see, it still has a lot of blue, but the rest is also coming. This is actually the reflection in the water of the street and the beginning of the hotel, the reflection. So let me get ready and then we are going to start. Actually, I thought in the beginning I'm going to do it part by part, but I think because actually it's all this part is one color, W, then we have some plus here, some E, A, B, R, G. So I think I will take the whole part in once and then just start with the W, filling this up, and then the plus numbers, the E's, and then the rest. If you have anything to say to me, just comment below and we will talk about this in the next video. So for now, enjoy. So we did all the W's, and actually it's more blue than I did expect. We're going to do the plus now, so it's actually till here. This part has no plus. This is the last one. This, where are you? There. This is the color of the plus. It's come 33, and 33 is 3838 if you want to know the specific color. So let me fill this color in the tray. As you see, I don't put too much diamonds in my tray, and then I shake them, and more or less all my diamonds are lying face up, so I can use them all in one. So let us start putting them in the plus. And that was already the plus symbol. Actually, this went faster. Now I'm going to do the E and the G together. There's not that much G. E is all over the whole place. And after this, I will just continue with the E. There's here and here. And then I will just continue with all the colors. Because there are a lot of different colors, but not a lot of everything. We have a G here, some G's here, here, some big N's, K. So first we do the E and the G, and then we will continue doing the rest. So we are done with the part of today. And if you say, Stefan, I have no idea what you're doing, let me tell you, I'm diamond painting. No. For the moment, we still don't see what it's going to be. What I told you before, this is the water. And this is the reflection of the beginning of the hotel. You get the reflection first, then a little bit above you get yeah. Actually it's the street and the trees, but it's so far away that you will not see this. And then above you get the hotel, and above that you get the sky. But actually, when I ordered this painting, it's a custom designed picture. Do you say this like this? Custom designed picture? It's a picture that they make a custom painting from, so it's not an existent painted already. So they sent me this layout, and I was thinking, okay, it's nice, but now that I see it, I think it's too far away. And maybe when it's completely done, it will be nice, but for the moment I think it's too far away. I already did similar picture, but more close, and that one is really nice. I don't have it here, so I cannot show it, but I think this one is too far away. If I see the picture, how it's going to be, it looks nice, but actually it's 60 centimeters high. Height? Yeah, 60 centimeters high and 90 wide. And you can push it in three layers, 20 centimeters of water, then 20 centimeters of the actual hotel, and then 20 centimeters more or less of the sky. So I think it will be too small, but we shall see how it finished. I'm going to continue, and maybe it will be disappointed, but for now I cannot say if I'm disappointed or not about it, because we just did 20 by 25 centimeters, so we have to continue again. The next part that I will do is I will go a little bit higher, I think 5-6 centimeters. I will do this tomorrow or the day after. So I'm going to do this, and after we're going to continue again higher, and then we will get the beginning of the hotel itself, and I hope this will be from better quality. So for now, thank you for watching. Sorry again that it's not that clear what we are doing and what we are seeing for the moment. So maybe if you want to see the rest of this disaster painting, just follow me and push the bell button so you get a push notification or just an email notification when I upload the next video. So again, thank you for watching. Hope to see you real soon, and have a nice day. Ciao!